tell you what, if that guy wasn't such a big mouth, you know, with his Saturday Night Live stuff and all his anti-Trump stuff, you know, anybody that's been around the block a few times realizes when you lay out that kind of karma, it always comes back to kick you in the ass.
Blitzy had to go pee-pee. Well, guys, I've got a video being edited right now. I just had my last ham radio QSO. You want to see how I was treated on the air? You want to see what my reply was? How I handled it? Oh, I wish I would have handled it a little differently. I wish I would have told the guy to go fuck himself. In case you're wondering, that box, if filled with concrete, would weigh 179 pounds. And I'm going to make a new rear weight for Jed. I'm going to buy a bar, a steel bar, and cast it into a concrete block that size. And when I want to mount the weight on the tractor, just slap the 3-point hitch arms onto the rod. All I wanted him to do was the fucking ID. Every 10 minutes? Right. I sat there listening for a half an hour and nobody ID'd. All I wanted him to do was ID.
Woohoo!